right, on today's episode of Python Papi, we're back inside our smart contracts project. Let's have a look at what we're going to be going over today. Now, today I did inform you that we're going to be starting a new module, so let's dive right into what we're going to be doing. This is going to be a better way to send ETH. So in this section, we will go over a better way to send ETH. This is our contract so far. This is everything we've done, all the modifications, all the constants, immutables, all alterations we made to our fund function, the decorator that we added for the default fallback, and everything else. So there's one more thing we can do to make this contract better. We will be looking at the send function next, which has the owner as a parameter and the amount of ETH to send as a second parameter. The owner will be the address that deployed the contract and will be the one that can withdraw the funds from the contract. The amount of ETH to send will be the balance of the contract, which is the total amount of ETH that has been sent to the contract. Now, this is an easy way to send ETH, a simple way. However, it is not exactly recommended to use in production for security reasons, but it is a good way to learn how to send ETH. We're actually going to explore a more advanced way to send ETH for this contract, which is more secure and recommended for production use. Now, this more advanced way to send ETH is the way we should always default to when sending ETH in a smart contract, and it is the way that we will be using in this smart contract. We'll be using a built-in Vyper function called raw call to send our ETH. Now, this function is more secure and allows us to send ETH to the address without having to worry about the security issues that come with using the send function. And this is how we can actually call anything in Vyper, any single function. Even if the small contract doesn't have the function defined in the ABI, we can still call it using the roll call function. Now, we're going to leave it there for now. This is just an introduction to the module that we're going to be doing. I don't want to dive right in and start moving along and not be able to cover everything that we're going to be covering. So we're going to leave it there and we're going to pick back up tomorrow. But of course, I will keep you posted every step of the way. For now, this is the Python Papi. You guys stay Gucci.